Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Web Techie. I am Sudhakar Reddy and in this tutorial I am going to explain you about tables using HTML hypertext markup language. Friends, on the screen you can see one table which contains rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there and you can see 4 columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am going to explain you this how to get this table and how to get these colors, different colors. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos and let us continue for the topic. So friends, in this we are going to learn table tag, tr tag, td tag and th tag. So let me start writing a code. So friends, here you can see my HTML template. So which contains header part, title and body tag and inside the body nothing here. I am going to write table inside this body. So as I said, we have different types of tags. So I am going to use it here. One is table tag. I am going to write it here. And table contains one attribute called border. How much thicker you want it. The table border you can specify and you can give that width attribute also. How much wider you want it. Say I want to take it 800 pixels and I want to close the table here, right? So friends, always whatever tag you are opening, please close it. And inside this table, I want rows. So you can create a row by using tr. See, tr also is closed. And inside this, I want to take td, table data. And in this, I want to write serial number. So you can see serial number, name, course, and phone number. So in the first row, we have this serial number, name, course, and phone number. And second row onwards, you can see there is a content here. Serial number is there, Ramesh, web designing, and phone numbers I want to mention it. So this is what I am going to create it. So let us start. So here serial number already mentioned it. Now I want to write it one more td, that is a one more column. And I want to write here name. Next one, I want to write one more td. And I want to write here, say, course. Then again I want to write one more cell I am creating here. Here I want to write phone. So these are the 4 columns we got it here. Let me move this one here. So all these things are there in one line. So td, first one, second one, third one and fourth one. So row is created here. Now save this file, Command S or Control S and check it in your browser. You can see I got this output. And this one should be there in the center. This row is not there in the center. I am going to my code once again and here I am going to write align equals to center attribute. So attribute is align and center is a value here and Command S and open that browser once again and refresh this page. So it is there in the center of the page. Now I want to create many other rows. I want to create one more row here. So then I need to write tr and row is closed and 4 columns are required, which is possible with the help of td. And here I want to write 1, that is the serial number. Then I want to write one more td, say name. So some name I'll mention Ramesh and I want to mention td. And here course I want to write web designing. I want to write one more td and phone number, some phone number you write it, doesn't matter whatever you write it. So second row has been created here. Second row has been created. Now you can see both are all are in the same line. Command S or Control S. Now check your file in your browser. Now we got a second row it is. So like that I want third row and fourth row also. So I'm in my program. I'm going to create one more row, third row. So for that, instead of writing the code, I'm going to copy this and I want to paste it. And here I want to change the number. This is 2. And here I want to write it some name. Let me write Mahesh. And something I want to change it here. Course name also I want to change it. Graphic designing. And some other phone number. Maybe you can write it. Okay. So 2 rows are created. Let me create one more row also. I'll paste it once again. I'll change the values here. This is 3 here. And I want to write, say, so I want to write some other course name here. So I want to change the number. Right. Now I want to save this file. I'm refreshing my page. Now you can see we got 4 rows and table is there exactly in the center. But here the problem is we want a color here. First row should be different color and all the remaining rows should be in different color. So I am in my program. Now the first row, this is the first row. But before that I want to add a BG color. So I am in this program. Now I want to change the background color of the table. I can use BG color attribute. BG color. And I want to give that BG color as cyan color. Let me save this. So check it in the browser. Now we got a background color here. And this first row color should be different. So go to the first row here. This is the first row. In this first row, I am going to write BG color equals to some color we can give it. I am giving it red color. So this attribute, BG color attribute, can be given for the table tag. It can be given for the TR tag. It can be given for the TD tag also. Now save this file and check it in the output. Check it in the browser. So now we got a red color here. Can you see this? So we got this red color top and remaining table. And you can see this data has been organized properly. The data which you are seeing here, the content which you are seeing is neatly organized. So that is because of table. If the table is not there, it is not possible to organize your content like this. And if you don't want to show the border here, there is a border for this table. If you don't want that border, you can do that. So here I'll change the border to 10 pixels. Now save this. So we got a border 10 pixels. Now this time I want to remove the border. So go to the code. What you do is you make it this 0 pixel. Border has been changed to 0 pixel. Can you see this? Table border is 0 pixel now. So check this output. So now border has been removed for the table. Border is 0, but the content has been organized properly. So this is how the table can be created. And we can do many wonders with the tables. In next video, I am going to explain you that how to insert images, how to insert hyperlinks, how to organize your content properly, how to create entire website with the help of tables. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment, please share my videos if you like it. Thank you very much.